Okay guys, so welcome to another video, and today I'm going to unbox this 1x18 diecast model of Audi E-Tron, Audi's first fully electric SUV. I bought this model from scaleartsin.com. I'll provide the purchase link in the description of this video, and it is second electric SUV scale model in my collection. The first one was Mercedes EQC. If you want to see the video of that, you can click the I button on the top right corner, and you can also follow me on Instagram at miniature_automobiles for daily updates. So let's get started.